Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest and detailed reviews. Today, we're looking at what we believe is the best car backup camera wireless night vision system currently available, the AMTIFO A19 wireless backup camera. If you're someone who values safety, convenience, and cutting-edge vehicle tech, this one's for you. Right from the box, the AMTIFO A19 stands out with its robust and thoughtful design. It comes with a large 7-inch touchscreen monitor, offering a clear and vibrant interface that's responsive and easy to use. This isn't your ordinary car monitor. It supports 2 video inputs, so you can install an additional front or license plate camera. Whether you're driving a truck, RV, camper, or van, this setup has the flexibility to meet your needs. One of the biggest selling points of the AMTIFO A19 is how simple it is to install. There's no need to run cables between the monitor and camera, it's truly wireless. All you have to do is connect the monitor to your vehicle's light or socket and the camera to the reverse or running light. Installation takes about 20 to 30 minutes, even for those who aren't particularly handy. You get a stable, interference-free signal with a range of up to 600 feet in open areas and around 33 feet inside a vehicle. More than enough for most cars and trucks. There's no lag, no dropped frames, just a crystal clear image when you need it most. Speaking of image quality, this system delivers full HD 1080p resolution with a wide 150-degree viewing angle. Whether it's day or night, the AMTIFO A19 ensures that you see exactly what's behind you, sharp, vivid, and in color. And yes, the night vision is excellent. Unlike systems that rely on bright infrared LEDs, this one features an upgraded sensor that provides a clear, colored image even in the dark. Safety is where this product really shines. With adjustable parking grid lines, you can customize them to match your vehicle's size and preferences. You can move them up, down, left, or right, or even turn them off entirely. It gives you more control over how you want to park and adds confidence to every maneuver. The monitor also supports split-screen viewing, which is perfect if you choose to install a second camera. That means you can view the rear and the hitch or front simultaneously, making it ideal for towing, tight urban driving, or larger vehicles. Durability is not a concern here either. The camera housing is built to withstand tough road conditions. It's waterproof, and the intelligent image adjustment system lets you flip views horizontally or vertically, and even mirror or unmirror the display to match how your mind processes reverse imaging. The AMTIFO A19 offers an unbeatable combination of easy installation, reliable wireless signal, vivid HD imaging, and customizable parking assistance, all in a compact, user-friendly package. Whether you're a first-time backup camera buyer or upgrading from an older wired system, this is a product that delivers real value and peace of mind. If you're in the market for a feature-rich, dependable, and flexible wireless backup camera system, the AMTIFO A19 deserves a top spot on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. Safe driving, and we'll see you in the next one.